The world will tell you to measure success in number of patents, a name on the building, even years in business. At Grote, we see success in lives changed, adherence to an ideal, and the ability to adapt. Since 1901, 2 years before the Wright brothers took flight, the Grote family has been building a legacy. As the vision cleared, the company adopted Madison, Indiana as its hometown and global headquarters.
When Dad drove back from Seymour, he occasionally came down to see the Ohio River. His first love was the Ohio River. Everything came after that.
Here, in this historic riverfront community, Grote has evolved and transformed. Today, lighting the way in logistics while advancing the company legacy.
Our goal, I think, as owners and as managers is to make Grote a great place to work that people are excited and proud to come to, but also the community.
Prior generations, they were constantly challenging the status quo.
We brought to life the first LED marker light.
It just gives you a sense of pride, a challenge also to live up to what has been laid out before you.
I'd say we've made a difference in people's lives, especially on the road, safety, but it's really about the people I've gotten to work with.
For over 125 years, Grote has been innovating and investing in the people who make Grote what it is.
It's an honor and a privilege to work here at Grote.
I think that we are blessed. Our team does know they're delivering something that matters to people, and they take that serious.
You know, when I see people out, either our fleet guys calling on customers and they've got smiles, you know, they worked hard, they solved a problem, they were listening, they were engaged, and they're delivering this value.
That's what's unique about Grote, is that it is such a customer-focused company.
Yeah, so the importance of trust, for me, it is paramount. It is something that I come to expect from Grote because they have delivered. And we appreciate them stepping up and doing the things that they say they do, and I trust them wholly.
A customer at Grote really becomes part of the family, and one of the things I'm most proud about, we have customers that we have had for over 70 years.
What's the future hold for Grote? We think it looks a lot like the past. Treating people the way they ought to be treated, listening to our customers and the industry, staying agile, ready to pivot, adapt, and change without changing who we are.
So we've got a history and we can't rest on it. We need to move forward, looking for the opportunity to grow, make an impact.
You have to know what your customers want and their pain points and listen to your customers first and foremost, or you don't get this far.
We've got so much great young talent coming into our business, and we're growing at such a great rate. The future will hold more opportunity for innovation.
And then when you have that opportunity, seize it. Go out and do what you can do, execute as quickly as you can to deliver that solution to the market.
As long as we stay close to our customers, I know where we'll be headed in the future.
Grote, lighting the way.